Hello everyone, I'm Nina. This episode, we will introduce you horizontal grinding mill. Let's go and have a look. This is our product feeding pump. It will be made by diaphragm pump or gear pump based on different viscosity. If it is in pneumatic pump, we will be having this buffer tank to prevent the boost. This screen is using for our grinding mill discharging system. It is made by stainless steel, and see the gap. The gap could be based on the different grinding medium. It could be in 0.35 or 0.15 millimeter. And now we will be using this to assemble here. You can see with this part we will be having very big discharging area, get the product very big flow to get it out. Okay, thank you. That's all. If you're interested about us, please follow Paint and Chemical Machine.